Assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to another Tajweed tips and tricks tutorial. Thank you for joining me. In this lesson we're going through the Safar Abridged Qa'idah, page 47. It's the stopping on fathatayn. Now, just a brief little introduction to stopping. In the Arabic, when you're stopping at the end of a word or the end of a sentence, the sound at the end changes or stays the same depending on the rule. Like with English, for example, you have a full stop, you have full stops, you have commas. Full stop is the most common one that you use to stop at the end of a sentence, right? In Arabic, the sound changes. So the first, there's a few rules for the stopping. It's called waqf. You call it waqf, or you can call it stopping. Okay. With this page 47, we're moving on to now, like it says at the stops, level 11, stopping. It's all about how does the sound change when you're making a stop. Let's go through this first box. So you've got, remember these examples are all taken from the Holy Quran, so you will come across these in your everyday recitation, inshallah. So here we have habli hukman. So normally this would be read like that, hukman at the end there, hukman, because the rule that we've learned, double fatha, fathatayn, is read with an un sound, so it's man. However, when we're going to stop, you take one, you have to imagine it, you're taking one fatha away. Now go back to the rules. When you take one fatha away, you're left with a fatha and an alif. So it's a fatha followed by joining alif. And when you have this, what do? You stretch the sound. So that's what you're going to do. When you're stopping on a fathatayn, you take one fatha away and you join, you're left with a fatha with a joining alif, so you stretch the sound. So it'll become hukma, hukma, habli hukma. Okay. Box number 2. وَيَهْدِي بِهِ كَثِيرًا becomes كَثِيرًا, كَثِيرًا if you're stopping. وَلَهُ الدِّينُ وَاصِبًا becomes وَاصِبًا, وَلَهُ الدِّينُ وَاصِبًا. Remember the sad is going to be full mouth, si. Fill your mouth there on that one. So remember, you take one fatha away, it becomes ba at the end there. Box number 4. وَفِي آذَانِهِمْ وَقْرًا. وَقْرًا becomes وَقْرًا, وَقْرًا. That's only if you're stopping, remember. If you're going to carry on reading, that's fine. Might be another word afterwards. You can carry on reading there. But these are just for if you're going to stop there. Here. وَفِي نُسْخَةِ. Sorry, I stretched that too long. Apologies. وَفِي نُسْخَتِهَا هُدَى. وَفِي نُسْخَتِهَا هُدَى. هُدَى. So here, even though the dal doesn't have a alif after it, it has a ya here. Just take one fatha away, give it a stretch. Just convert that ya to a alif in your mind. But you still get that, you still have that stretch there. Huda when you're stopping on it. Box number 6. Nada rabbahu nidaa. So the hamza, there's no alif after it. You just take one fatha away. You got to give it that stretch, even though there's no alif there for you to. You just have to imagine it there. Okay. Nada rabbahu nidaa. On to box 7 now. Bil wadil muqaddasi tuwa. Again, wow, double fatha, fathatayn. There's a ya there, there's no alif. So imagine There's an alif there, you take one fatha away, stretch it. Wa bil wadil muqaddasi tuwa. So situwan becomes situwa. Box number 8. وَهُوَ عَلَيْهِمْ عَمَى. So aman becomes ama. 9. وَكَانَ رَبُّكَ قَدِيرًا. قَدِيرًا becomes قَدِيرًا. Box 10. وَكَفَى بِرَبِّكَ وَكِيلًا. وَكِيلًا becomes وَكِيلًا. وَكِيلًا. Box 11. كَانَ وَعْدُهُ مَفْعُولًا. مَفْعُولًا becomes مَفْعُولًا. Box 12. وَجَعَلَ بَيْنَهُمَا بَرْزَخًا. وَجَعَلَ بَيْنَهُمَا بَرْزَخًا. So barzakhan becomes barzakha. And box 13. وَتَبَتَّلْ إِلَيْهِ تَبْتِيلًا. تَبْتِيلًا becomes تَبْتِيلًا. وَتَبَتَّلْ إِلَيْهِ تَبْتِيلًا. Box 14. خَالِدِينَ فِيهَا أَبَدًا. Abadan becomes abada when you're stopping. 15. يَوْمَ لَا يُغْنِي مَوْلًى. Mawlan becomes mawla when you're stopping. يَوْمَ لَا يُغْنِي مَوْلًى. Box 16. يَحْسَبُهُ الظَّمْآنُ مَاءً. يَحْسَبُهُ الظَّمْآنُ مَاءً. So the an becomes a at the end. And we're on 17. وَرَتِّلِ الْقُرْآنَ تَرْتِيلًا. تَرْتِيلًا becomes تَرْتِيلًا. وَرَتِّلِ الْقُرْآنَ تَرْتِيلًا. Subhanallah, this applies to us as we're trying to perfect our tajweed. Recite the Quran with the best, or with tartil, which is correctly, with the correct length of the letters. Subhanallah. On to 18 now. Yeah, that's fine. Number 18 is وَكَانَ بِالْمُؤْمِنِينَ رَحِيمًا. وَكَانَ بِالْمُؤْمِنِينَ رَحِيمًا. So rahiman becomes rahima. That's it. So that was today's lesson, all about stopping on the fathatayn. If you have any suggestions, queries, questions, any comments, anything that you're confused about, anything like that, please do leave it in the comment section. I'll try to reply ASAP. Again, thanks for joining. Please do like, comment and subscribe, and inshallah I'll see you in the next lesson. Assalaamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.